Imagine waking up tomorrow with a business that practically runs itself. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that AI could make that dream come true? And not in some far-off future, but today. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how AI, specifically ChatGPT, is not just a tool for answering questions. It's a revolution in how you can make money as an entrepreneur, whether you're a complete beginner or just getting started. We're talking about unlocking levels of efficiency and creativity you never thought possible. This is about working smarter, not harder, and using AI to build the business of your dreams. This is about taking your hustle to the next level. You ready? Let's go! First things first, you gotta know what you're selling, right? But finding a profitable niche, that sweet spot where there's high demand and low competition, that can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But guess what? ChatGPT is about to become your metal detector. Think of it like this. ChatGPT has analyzed millions of websites, articles, and conversations online. It knows what people are searching for, what they're talking about, and what they're willing to pay for. You can literally ask it, what are some profitable niches with low competition? Or what are people struggling with in your industry? Let me give you an example. Let's say you're passionate about sustainable living. You could ask ChatGPT, what are some unsolved problems in sustainable fashion? Boom! It might tell you about the lack of eco-friendly activewear options for plus-size women. That's a niche right there. See, most people use ChatGPT to write a blog post here or a social media caption there. But they're missing the bigger picture. They're playing checkers while we're playing chess. We're using it to uncover hidden opportunities, to understand market trends before they even become trends. This is about getting ahead of the curve, about being the first mover in a space that's ripe for disruption. And the best part, ChatGPT doesn't just give you a generic answer. It provides data, insights, and even specific examples to back up its suggestions. It's like having a team of market researchers working for you 24/7, but without the hefty consulting fees. This is about leveraging the power of AI to do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what really matters, building a business you're passionate about in a market that's hungry for what you have to offer. Don't sleep on this. This is how you set yourself up for success from day one. Find that gold mine of a niche and watch your business explode. Okay, you've got your killer niche. Now you need to tell the world about it. But creating engaging content day after day, that's a grind, right? Well, get ready to throw that old content calendar out the window, because ChatGPT is about to become your content machine. We're talking blog posts, social media updates, newsletters, website copy, you name it, ChatGPT can write it. And I'm not talking about some robotic, soulless content. We're talking high-quality, engaging, and even funny content that'll have your audience hooked. Here's how it works. You give ChatGPT a prompt. Let's say you want to write a blog post about the benefits of using AI for business. You could tell ChatGPT, write a blog post about how entrepreneurs can use ChatGPT to save time and money. And just like that, boom, you have a first draft. You can even tell it what style you want, informative, conversational, humorous, you name it. But here's the real game changer. You can use ChatGPT to create different variations of the same content. Let's say you want to turn that blog post into a Twitter thread. No problem. Just tell ChatGPT, turn the previous blog post into a Twitter thread with a catchy hook. See, most people think content creation is about churning out as much as possible. But it's not about quantity, it's about quality and consistency. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. It helps you stay consistent, keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. And the best part, you can free up so much time and mental energy. Time you can now spend on the things that really move the needle. Connecting with your audience, building relationships, and scaling your business. Your AI product developer from idea to launch with ChatGPT. All right, we found our niche, we're pumping out amazing content. Now let's talk about products and services, because at the end of the day, that's where the real money is made, right? But developing a product that people actually want, that can feel overwhelming. But guess what? ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in product development. Forget expensive consultants and endless market research. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm product ideas, validate those ideas, and even create the content for your product. Let's say you want to create an online course about, I don't know, let's say urban gardening. You could ask ChatGPT, what are people struggling with when it comes to urban gardening? It might tell you that people are struggling with limited space, choosing the right plants, or dealing with pests. Boom, you've got your course topics right there. You can then ask ChatGPT to help you create an outline for each module, suggest resources, and even write the script for your course videos. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can even help you with your sales copy. You can ask it to write compelling headlines, bullet points, and even a full-blown sales page that converts like crazy. See, most people think product development is a linear process, but with ChatGPT, it becomes an iterative, collaborative process. You're constantly brainstorming, testing, and refining your ideas with the help of AI. This is about tapping into a level of creativity and innovation that you never thought possible. It's about bringing your product vision to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. The 24/7 hustle automating customer support with AI. Let's be real, dealing with customer support can be a major buzzkill. Answering the same questions over and over, dealing with frustrated customers, it's enough to make you want to pull your hair out, right? But what if I told you that you could automate a huge chunk of your customer support, freeing up your time and your sanity? That's right. ChatGPT can handle those repetitive tasks, so you don't have to. Think about it. How much time do you spend answering emails, responding to comments, or troubleshooting basic issues? Now imagine if you could delegate all of that to a tireless AI assistant that's available 24/7. Here's how it works. You can integrate ChatGPT with your website or social media platforms to create an AI-powered chatbot. This chatbot can answer frequently asked questions, provide basic support, and even collect leads. Let's say someone visits your website and wants to know about your shipping policy. Instead of having them dig through your website, your ChatGPT-powered chatbot can provide that information instantly. But it gets even better. ChatGPT can learn from its interactions, becoming more knowledgeable and efficient over time. It's like having a customer support agent that's constantly learning and improving. This is about providing your customers with instant gratification, which is what everyone wants in today's fast-paced world. But it's also about freeing yourself from the shackles of customer support so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Your AI mentor. ChatGPT's secrets to entrepreneurial success. Listen, building a successful business can be a lonely journey. You're constantly facing challenges, making decisions, and doubting yourself. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a mentor, someone who's been there and done that, to guide you along the way? Well, guess what? ChatGPT can be that mentor. Now, I'm not saying it can replace a real-life mentor, but it can provide you with invaluable insights, advice, and support. Think of it as having a 24/7 brainstorming partner. You can bounce ideas off of ChatGPT, get feedback on your plans, and even ask for help with problem solving. Let's say you're struggling with your marketing strategy. You could tell ChatGPT, I'm trying to reach a new target audience. What are some effective marketing strategies? ChatGPT can then provide you with a list of strategies, along with examples and case studies. It can even help you analyze your current strategy and identify areas for improvement. But here's the real magic. ChatGPT can help you develop an entrepreneurial mindset. It can teach you how to think critically, solve problems creatively, and stay motivated even when things get tough. See, most people think of AI as a tool for automation, but it's so much more than that. It's a tool for learning, for growth, and for unlocking your full potential as an entrepreneur. So, what's the catch? The catch is, it's all up to you. The AI is here and ready to work for you. But your success starts with mindset. You need to embrace AI, think outside the box, and take action. If you're ready to harness the full power of ChatGPT to grow your business, the first step is right here, right now. Subscribe and start implementing today. And let me know in the comments, how would you use ChatGPT to make money in your business?